Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. Now I know it's been a while since I have posted, but you know, sometimes life happens, but I am back. Now before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post the video you will be notified. Be sure to leave a comment and of course leave a like. It is free and it will help your girl out. All right, so for today's video I will be showing you a headband wig. Now I know it's a rave, you guys are probably tired of seeing it, but I haven't tried one and I decided to because I am trying to save my edges like everyone else, and it's not every day that I really want to get up and be gluing down a wig. All right, sometimes I would like to go the lazy route. All right, so the wig I'll be showing you guys today came from my quality hair. This video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. The wig came in this box. It's a nice pretty pink box. Of course my niece tore it up, but what the heck. So in the box you get a pink bag like this. The wig came in this bag, and in the bag you got the wig, of course, but I'll save that for last. You get a wig cap with, I think this has 2 pieces in it. You get a edge brush. At one end you have the brush, at the other end you have the comb, right? And also they were kind enough to send me 2 headbands because you know it's a headband wig. So it's like a handkerchief material. It's like a handkerchief print. Yeah, and one white. They're both black and white, but yeah, you get it. And of course, let's get to the main event. Like, I'm so excited. Whew. Hopefully it looks good on me, right? All right, so the wig. All right, so I'm gonna insert a clip to show you guys how the wig looked when I took it out of the box originally. But of course I had to wash the wig with corona and everything that's happening. I ain't putting on no wig on my head without washing it. So there you have it. So I'll insert a clip right now so you guys can see what it looked like when I took it out of the box. All right. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks. As I said, I washed it. I just used my Osmoist conditioner to wash it, and I put some twist in it. So this is how inside of the wig looks, guys. This is the construction of the wig. You have a comb at the top, you have 1 comb on either side, and you have a comb in the back of the wig. Then of course you have adjustable straps, right? So you can adjust it to fit your head, and then you have the headband, of course. So this headband is sewn onto the wig, as you all know. And what I like is that it is sewn over the hair, so it should lay flat. All right, so this goes around the wig, and then you fasten. It has the Velcro at the back. And then you put it around your head, of course, and then you Velcro it. All right, so after you fasten the comb here and here, I chose to use the combs. I'm thinking that you don't have to. If you have like a wig grip, you can use the wig grip instead of using the combs, right? So after I fasten the combs here, I just fasten the comb in the back, and then I'm going to use this to secure the wig on my head. All right, and I really like how it looks, guys. Like, Yeah. So you pull this side here, and then you take the other side and you just put it together, just like, you know how a Velcro works. Yeah. Okay. That was quick, guys. Like, I like it. I like it. And, you know, I always like the natural look, but I don't want to manipulate my natural hair. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and take the twist out. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I've taken out all of the twists. This hair looks so good. I cannot believe it. Like, I am just so happy. You guys can tell based off my smile, like, and it just feels so good and it looks just like my natural texture. Like, trust me. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Never in a million years would I have ever thought to wear something like this, because I always thought that this texture is just too much maintenance. All right, so guys, I do love the hair. However, I want the curls to be a little bit more defined, so I'm just gonna be using my spray bottle. This side looks a little bit better. And in this bottle, I just have water and I have some deep conditioner in it. I think it's a Cantu brand. And then I'm gonna use some more of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioning Cream to see if I can get the curls to pop a bit more. All right. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. As you can see, the curls look way more juicy. Like, I really like this look. Yep, I really like it. It looks so good and the hair is so soft. Like, my fingers are just gliding through it. Like, yeah. But I'm just gonna be adding some of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. You guys know I love this stuff, just to make sure that it is not looking dry, which it actually isn't, but it's just to maintain the hair. I did sleek down my hair a bit before I started the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and just to get my edges a little bit more sleek, I'm gonna be using the edge, oh lord, I'm gonna be using the edge booster and the brush that came in the pack to just sleek down my edges a little bit more. Nothing extra, just, you know, nothing. Oops, okay, there you go. Nothing extra. Okay. Yes, honey. How are we looking? How are we looking? Like, I like. Edges are laid. Now, I'm gonna be using one of these just to see how it looks. Black, white. I think I'm gonna go with the white one. It stands out a lot more. All right, guys, so there you have it. I think it looks great. I love the look of it. You guys can see it took me like 5 minutes to put on the wig. It's very beginner friendly. It is very lazy girl friendly. Yeah, I love it. Like, who would have thought? Like, this hair is gonna take some maintenance though, so you will have to refresh the curls, if not every day, then every other day. But as you can see, it's just water and some deep conditioner. Any brand I believe would work. So yeah, it is a, yeah, it looks great. Now, into the specs of the wig. This wig is 150% in density, and it is 18 inches, and the texture is 3C4A, which is actually the texture of my hair in the front and in the back. Yeah, I have like 2 different textures, so yeah. I like the color of it. I love the look. Like, yeah, girl, you look good. This wig gets 10 out of 10 for me. As I said before, I got this wig from My Quality Hair, and this wasn't a sponsored video, so I am giving you guys my honest opinion on the wig. So let me know what you guys think about the wig. Have you guys already tried a headband wig, or are you going to try it? Just let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it looks on me. All right, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, right? Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Leave a comment, and of course leave a like. It's free and it will help your girl out. All right, so yeah, that's it, guys. I am in love. I am in love with this hair. Yeah, I'm in love with this hair. All right, so until next time, guys, bye.